In the last vlog you guys have seen I just got one parcel from Nykaa and all the products are very affordable, so let's get started. Starting up with the lipstick. So my birthday lagaisilu. So here you go ladies. It to break a leg shade hoy Nykaa pora and I just got it for 194. Following up with the blusher. This is the first time I have ordered. And like when I applied, बहुत बेसी धुनिया को अपना cheeks दिखी ऐसे look तो बहुत धुनिया ही ऐसे cute ही ऐसे and it's just for ₹68. So I just ordered 2. Coming up with 2-in-1 highlighter and contouring stick. This is very important and useful thing for people that mukhon monisna mane chubby hoy. And I just got it for ₹187. Gosh, these 2 body mists, these are like my top most favorite and like you should really go for it. And I just got it for ₹394 and $281. Got one free gift, consists of one body lotion, body wash and body mist. Bye bye guys.